As you can see, we're not in the old car today because we're at Beater with a Heater. See them all over there hiding out? Because it is pouring the rain. But you know what? We're here anyway. In our everyday vehicle with the cracked windshield. We are taking donations for that, by the way. Rain's supposed to let up. Maybe it will, maybe it won't. We got umbrellas. And it just fits this show.
To foot, shiny shoes, fake snake made of marmalade. Dressed to shoot, he'll try to hold on to you. He'll try, he'll try, he'll try. Ooh, ooh. He's sailing out of here. Diamonds on the horizon.
First team, get ready.
On your mark.
On your mark. Get set. Go! Oh. Looks like the Heinz 57 is an 84 Toyota. Number 10, Bob Destin. Worst engine. Who do y'all think that is? '70 Maverick. Number 18, Eddie Connor. Worst interior. The 57 pickup. Number 22, Michael. I can't read this right.
Photo.
Photo? Photo?
He brought that puppy.
All right, the Bondo buggy, most Bondo. 73 Omega. Tessie, number 5.
Jerry.
Jerry.
No, Harry.
Harry.
Well, somebody cannot ride. Look at that. What does that look like?
Hey, do I get a trophy
What
for
does
worst
that
riding?
look like?
Oh, hell, no, that ain't me. That's somebody else wrote that. That ain't the one I signed in.
No, it's not.
Yeah.
No, it's not.
Oh, awesome. Thank you. Thank you.
Worst paint. 41 Chevy. Travis Taylor.
I like that. That was cool.
Rustiest. Most Rust. 78 Chevy. 13. Ben Bishop. Barely Made It Award. 91 GMC Suburban. Number 17. Brody McCamish. Braxton, you want to do this next one? You want to do the next two?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just want to thank everybody for coming out, even though it's really, really crap today. There's a fella that comes out to all these shows. I say has a nice car. Doesn't want trophies, don't care about trophies, but we've done a category called Show Car in Disguise. Mr. Robbie Keaton, where you at?
Wake up, Robbie.
Thank you. There you go. Appreciate it.
Those are pretty cool trophies.
And then, the worst of the show. Now, whoever gets this, it's about 50 pounds, so I mean, I hope it works out. It goes to Robbie Farrell, 79 Bronco.
All right, guys. Thanks for coming out. If you're not on Facebook, follow us on Facebook. Our next big show will be at Advanced Auto Parts in Mount Sterling. We'll be raising money for Toys for Tots, I believe. So follow us and come on out to the next one. We got a Cruizin and Frisch's coming up the third Thursday of the month. So the third Thursday of the month we'll be here at Frisch's parking lot.